Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter eggs. Start by separating yolks from whites and chill the whites for firmer texture. Work the butter until creamy, then add yolks slowly for smooth emulsification. Whip whites separately if your recipe calls for lightness, folding gently to retain air. Taste and adjust salt, and cool briefly before serving to let flavors meld for a perfect buttery egg. Gather a bowl, spatula, whisk, or mixer, and fresh eggs to start. Measure butter precisely and let it soften to room temperature for easier blending. Separate yolks and whites carefully into different bowls to prevent cross-contamination. Keep a small amount of cold water nearby to adjust consistency if needed. Use a thermometer if desired to maintain gentle heat, and always taste as you go to fine. Cream butter until pale and silky before adding any egg component for proper emulsion. Incorporate yolks slowly while mixing at low speed to prevent splitting or thinning. If recipe uses whipped whites, fold them in with a gentle motion to keep the mixture airy rather than deflating it. Adjust texture with a teaspoon of cold water or a quick chill in the fridge. Always handle gently and serve within safe time frames for egg dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.